How to delete family account on Cash App. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. For this, you have to go ahead and launch your Cash App. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged into your Cash App. To delete your family account, follow the simple procedure. First and foremost, cash out every balance that you have in your Cash App and make sure that all the pending payment has been cleared up from your Cash App. Once it is done, tap on the user icon at the very top. From this list of account setting, you have to go ahead and select the option of support. So go ahead and tap on the option of support. Next step, you have to tap on the option of something else. Since we do not have the option of deleting family account, we have to delete our account of Cash App. So what you have to do is, you have to select on the option of close your Cash App account at the very top. You can also tap on delete your personal information first to give it a refresh. Then once you select your close account option, tap on confirm. This is because Cash App does not allow you to just delete your family account, so you actually have to delete whole of your Cash App account. And that is all for this video as well. We hope that this video was informative to you, and thank you so much for watching.